Okay, Nate, so tell us about your plane.
All right, so we got a Freewing 80mm T-33 here. Box stock with LEDs. So I got nav lights on the wingtips, fuselage beacons in the scale position.
Let me get the one underneath.
The real ones do rotate, but I don't have rotating lights, so I made them just beacon like that. And then we got a nose wheel light, which shuts off with the gear. That's one of the bigger Freewing lights, and then all the other lights are just the smaller Freewings.
And this is all off of the box that comes with the plane, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, let's go for it. Box stock, same 9-blade in-runner.
Yeah. Got a cool sunset going on in the background.
I've probably got 15, 16 flights on this plane now. I love it. It's one of my new favorites. It's easy to fly, it's fast. Fast even with those damn tip tanks on it too.
Yeah, I think they make it more stable.
Taking off.
All right.
Flying this with an Admiral 5000 milliamp 6-cell battery. Here, Mike, let me fly.
All right.
Beacons. Nice. There's a fast pass here.
The sunset in the background.
I'm running about 70% through all my elevator and ailerons. 30% expo. This is their CG too, no CG change. As you can see, it's got plenty of speed with those tip tanks. And the roll rate is really nice.
So flight time's about what with the 5000?
Depends on how I fly it. I've been getting close to 4 minutes on 5000, and I can stretch it to about 5.5 to 6 and 6000.
Okay.
And that's 5 minutes of flight time. I'm usually going around 3.5 minutes in the throttle.
Okay.
And stuff like this, I'm not using throttle. I have my timer come on at 25%.
Okay.
So when I'm doing the slow stuff, you know, my timer isn't counting. So I'm flying for about 5 minutes and running my battery for about 3.5 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
I'm flying an Admiral 5000 right now, and I can do about 4 minutes. And the battery comes down about 3/8 to cell left.
Okay.
Which is perfect.
Yep.
These are brand new batteries too, so. This is my first time seeing the lights and stuff.
All right, so probably about time to land. Got
Yep.
3.5, well, what, 3 minutes?
I've been using my motor for about 2.5 now. I just got my 1 minute warning.
Cool.
I'll do one more slow pass here. Put the wheels down so you guys can see that landing light.
Oh yeah, I'll get out here on the runway. Are you just doing a slow pass?
I'm putting the wheels down.
Okay, so come on, get close.
All right, here come the wheels. There's that landing light.
All right, come on in.
I'm going to use my full flaps for this landing. I don't use much flaps. And they call for an elevator mix, but I'm not using any elevator mix.
Okay.
Doesn't need it. That landing light is super bright, guys. Power off. She's a floater. And we oiled those wheels, so it's going to roll like a freight train. That's all right. And if you hammer on it in turns, it doesn't like the tip, which is really nice.
Yeah, so come on straight here at us so you can see that light. All right, we're good. That's fine, that's perfect. Let it go. All right, that's it.
There she is, guys. She flies awesome. It's one of my new favorites.
Cool. Good job, Nate.